enjoying a beautiful day here at the, how do you say it, John? Riparium Park here in Gilbert. And a little goose thought he'd sit by us and give us a little quackity quack. Thank you. And we're here having some Subway, right, sweetheart?
Right.
Look how pretty day we is. It's only about 64 degrees. It's perfect. Really pretty. Oh, that dog's smart. He's drinking water out of it. Smart doggy.
Hey guys, it's Sunday, and not the usual Sunday, no brunch today, because I am taking my dad to a cooking class today. It was a birthday gift for him. His birthday was in late December, but the class was for now, and so we're finally going. It's called Scuffins and Cruffins, and I don't remember the exact reason why it's called that. So I will show you when we get to the cooking class. He picked it. He picked this class, so I'm really excited to do that with him. And then we'll see what else this Sunday has in store. I'm not sure yet. Gosh, you guys, my car smells so freaking good. Wow, it smells like butter. Just yummy baking butter in my car right now. The Scuffins are so good. So those are scones and muffins. So they look like scones and they have like a little bit of that hardness that a scone has, but the inside is more like a muffin texture. They're so good. And the Cruffin is a croissant and muffin combination. It's like a really light and airy croissant, like bread texture more with layers, but then a little bit like a muffin. Those are good, but I prefer a croissant still. They're really pretty though, but they're a lot of work for what they are. I think croissants are like fine as they are, but the Scuffin is where it's at, or I think it's called that, Scuffin. Really good. On my way to work, it's Tuesday, and it feels like it should be Monday. It's gonna be a very weird week for me since I am starting back to a 5-day-a-week schedule, and my head is killing me. I have such a bad migraine. But I wore this lip color today from Marc Jacobs. I'll put the name right here because it's already escaping me, but I'm loving it. And it feels like spring today. Put the grass in today. Yay! Doggies are happy. It was a grilled cheese and tomato soup kind of night. That cheese pullo. And let me show you the tomato soup. Ooh, steamy. Trader Joe's organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup. So good. Okay, I just had to film how amazing my husband looks. He's been looking so fly all week. He's been going to trial. And I'm just like, yes. Those shoes too. So excuse my morning voice and face. But I just had to come on here and talk about Tyler and Jessica. Jessica Braun and Tyler, her husband, I don't know his last name. I guess it's still the same. I don't know. But he does a lot of Disney stuff because he's a Disney travel agent for Disney World and all the parks surrounding Disney World, I believe. And I've been watching Jessica for a really long time because she does beauty videos and vlogging, and like clearly both things I love to do and talk about. So I've been watching her forever, and she's so down to earth. Like she's so natural on the camera. She's just so down to earth. And so is her husband. And I really enjoy watching their Disney stuff when I am missing Disney. So any of my Disney fans out there that don't live in California and don't have an annual pass and don't get to go all the time, that's where it's at if you want some Disney World action. Me and Chris, I've been to Disney World twice my entire life. Once as a 5-year-old, once as a 14-year-old. And I have, 3 times, excuse me. And once, but very, very briefly, it was like for a Christmas night. So it was like for 4 hours at Magic Kingdom with my dad. And I believe I was 19 or 20. But that is my goal, to get Chris there because he's never been. Okay, we were looking at the weather. What the heck is going on here? Today was 89, felt like summer was coming. And I'm so happy it's not, don't get me wrong, because look at this beautiful weather. I'm so excited. But this is why my allergies are going insane. It's so nice to wake up to this beautiful view. I cannot wait until we have trees and pretty flowers in the yard too. So originally I was going to wait, and I say me because I do most of like the budgeting and stuff, and I was going to wait to do the rock and plants in the yard, but I think it's become more of a priority than I thought because the grass gets wet in the morning and then they go in the dirt. I'm talking about the doggies. And so then they keep getting mud all over their paws. And you can imagine how frustrating that's been and it's only been one day. And I've had to clean Holly's paws like probably 4 times. Lucy, her paws are smaller, like the pads of her paws. So, and she kind of sits like, she kind of prances more, like doesn't completely put the weight all the way down into her paws, it seems like. Or I don't know what the explanation is, but she doesn't really get muddy paws at all. Whereas Holly's getting very muddy paws because her hair just like clings to it, you know? So we're thinking we're probably gonna have to order the gravel and mulch and plants sooner than we thought. So gonna put a couple other things on pause that I was thinking for the year, and we're just going to complete that. So yeah. So hopefully we'll have a completed yard. And if you see behind me, yeah, we have sheets all on the sofas everywhere so that the mud didn't get on the sofas because the dogs kept like jumping up still and we're like, ah! So it's been a task. So I was really excited to find out that Draper James Reese Witherspoon's clothing line is now at Kohls. They have a special collection for the spring and summer. So many cute spring dresses, you guys, and cute outfits. I did enjoy a lot of the spring dresses. They're really nice quality. They are a little higher price than some of Kohls' other items though. So I did hold off on purchasing yet, but I have a bunch of these in my cart because they are having a sale this weekend. So I loved this striped dress. I think it's perfect for a beach vacation. And if you wanted to see all of the dresses and clothing that I tried on from the collection, I did a reel on Instagram. So make sure to go and check that out if you're curious to see more. So I, excuse the frizz because it was raining today. So, and I decided to wash my hair today. Why? I don't know. I should just put a hat on. But I went to Kohls and looked at all the cute new, is it Draper Jane or Draper James? I'll put it right here. But it's the Reese Witherspoon collection is now at Kohls. She has some items at Kohls. It is a little bit pricey still, but the stuff is so cute for spring and summer. I just filmed a reel, like trying on a bunch of the items. I'll have it linked below if you haven't seen it on Instagram because so many of the pieces were perfect for Easter and spring events, wedding events. So cute. I can't even. How cute are these little guys? I think she got them off QVC, my mom, but she said it reminded her of Chris and I and the kids. So these are the kids. And then on this side, it's Chris and I. Aren't those so stinking cute? I'll link them for you guys. Got my carrot wreaths up over here. I'm just giving you a little sneak peek, but I'm going to be posting the Easter decor video very, very soon. So it's nice and early for you guys. Also, look at these adorable chickies. I put one there. And then the other 2 are over here. There's a blue and a pink one. They're so cute. I have them facing the other way so that people on this side of the table get some cute little critters to look at.
My car feels like a jungle. 4 of the 6. Hopefully there are no birds in here. 2 more to go.
Hey everybody, it's Mama Bee. I went over to Hobby Lobby and did a little damage. First, I got these really cute plates for my table. Aren't they adorable? I got the little rolling pins. He has risen, Hello Easter, and Hop, Hop, Hop. I got this bunny and that bunny for my tray, and this little guy for the summer for my tray. But best of all, I got this beautiful rabbit that's gonna look so cute. I love him. Okay, hope you love him too. Let me show you what my plates look like on my table. Okay, I put them on and I think they look absolutely adorable. What do you think? Aren't they cute? Cutie, cutie. Okay, guys, bye.
Oh, goodness. You're so tired, honey? So tired, my baby? Oh, my goodness, so dirty. Just filthy. Editing the vlog. She just chilling with me.
Are you effing kidding me right now? Really, Holly? Really? Bad girl. Shamey, shamey. So this one had to get a bath because of how filthy she got. Holly! But now she's all fluffy and we cut around her face. I think we got her ears too short, but now her body looks all big and fluffy. Show them. Look how cute you are, though.
Her ears are getting dreadlocked. They had to be cut, but it does look silly.
Good girl. Lucy got a bath too, but she already ran away. Hey guys, we are going to a double date night with my friend Jennifer and her husband. And we're gonna go see Batman, which I'm really excited to see Robert Pattinson in something other than Twilight or Water for Elephants. I love that movie. Anyways, my sexy husband. We coordinated today too. I mean, we usually do. Matt, she's really good at coordinating with me. I don't even do it. He's the one that coordinates, and he'll be like, what are you wearing? And then he coordinates it. Anyway, I have my HRH collection earrings on today. The baby doll dresses that I love that I've linked many a time. And headbands from Amazon. Ring is from Pandora. And so I said we were going to the movies, and then we're also going to go to the Keg for dinner. We have a reservation. And yeah, it should be a fun night. So we are back home with the puppies. Hi, honey. Good girl. And the movie actually was pretty good. I think it was a bit long. Like, they could have condensed it. It was 3 hours long, but it was good. And Robert Pattinson surprised me. I actually thought he was really good Batman. Yeah, overall we liked it. And we went to the Keg for dinner. It was so good, but now I feel like so full. Okay, we're gonna play with the pups a little bit. I'm gonna finish editing this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog this week, and I will see you again next week.